All right, folks, boys and girls, I've waited 3 months for this controller. 3 months. You heard me right. I ordered this back in May 2020, and it is now July. So it's finally here. I'm excited. For those who watch my channel for my fitness, taking a little break for fitness right now so I can have a little fun. Yes, you see it. This is, let's get out the box. This is the Scuf Prestige controller. Custom order, took 3 months, obviously, because everything going on with COVID-19 and everything going on in the world. It took forever to get here, but it's finally here. So I am going to do a full review on this controller. My first time actually having paddles. If you don't know anything about Scuf or you heard things about it, you know, a lot of the pro gamers use it. Mainly people buy it for the paddles because you can, you know, map your A button to a paddle and your B button to a paddle, all your buttons to a paddle. And now you don't need to take your finger off the joystick, if you will. You just press the paddles. So now you're supposed to be a lot quicker when it comes to, you know, time to kill. Also, there's a thing called hair triggers. So let me go and just open it up. There's a thing called hair triggers, what basically means the button, okay, it's hard to do this while I'm like trying to record. Let's see if I can do this. Come on out of here. There she is. So I chose this color. I chose all the colors in the buttons. Mine is nothing special. I was actually gonna do a more complicated color scheme, but then I realized why pay more for something that you can just play a flat cost for. So yeah, you can color, you know, you can change the color to this ring, to these thumbsticks, to every single thing you can change the color to. Even these paddles here, you can change the color. I decided just to make the shell red, and I think I might have chose gray for these. But other than that, I was gonna go with like an Iron Man theme, like a gold and red type of theme, but then I said, you know, screw it. I just wanna get my controller. So here it is, guys. Here it is in all its glory. Wow, look at these paddles. Finally got it. So, it does feel good. I'm guessing right here, these are the hair triggers. So that's all the way down. Now that's a hair trigger. Now that's a hair trigger. Now I think these are adjustable, so I'm gonna get the tool out here, and I think you can adjust, because I've seen YouTube videos and it was literally, you just tap like a little bit and you can start shooting, or you can start firing. To give you an idea of the, you know, the biggest thing about this controller, with my old controller, to shoot, I would have to press this all the way down. You know, to aim down sight, I had to press this all the way down. But with a hair trigger, you just barely tap it. Now even these, I'm gonna make these like even more sensitive so they don't have to even go down at all. So I'm gonna adjust that for sure. I think there's different levels, yeah. Other than that, everything else is pretty standard. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna charge this bad boy, because my charging station has a battery pack back here from my other controllers. And as you can see, you cannot do that. So I have to figure out how I'm gonna charge it. Let's see what else comes in the box. Okay, I don't know, it's kind of hard to come out. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, we got the cord. So that's gonna be a nice long cord to charge the controller. I'm not even sure if it's wireless or not, but I'm probably gonna use it with the wire. We got some some spare thumbsticks. As you can see, they have one, I think it's called a concave, or maybe this one's concave. I don't remember the name, but as you can see, one's more like indented and one's like rounder. I heard this is for sniping, this is for not, but I'm no pro. I'm just an average Joe, so whatever. This is the key that you use to map the buttons, and this is gonna be the tool that you use to actually adjust the hair triggers right here. Plug that into the controller in these little spots, and then I think you can adjust how tight you want those triggers to be. Other than that, you know, we got some Scuf material about the controller, how to use the controller, but that's it, guys. So anyway, I want to make this video short and sweet. I am going to do a full review on this controller. And the one thing I have not seen a review yet is I'm gonna have a hand cam, so you're gonna see the back of the controller as I use it, because that's the main thing I wanna see when I go on YouTube. No one's really showing me them using the buttons. They're just, you know, playing the controller like normal and like, oh my God, these buttons on the back are so awesome. But if I can't see them, how am I gonna know how it works? So I'm gonna set up probably like 3 cameras, a camera for the back, a camera to record, you know, myself, and a camera to record my gameplay. Capture my gameplay. So that video will be coming. I'll do a full review, in-depth review. So anyway, if you guys like my gaming content, you know, give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.